Well, a bit cooler out there today, but it's sunny.
Chief Meteorologist Bill Jack LaLanne Kelly is at Love Park soaking up the weather.
Yeah, I was trying, but I think I'm going to feel that one tomorrow. No doubt about that for sure. Hey, I mentioned last time that I was about 2 degrees away from the coat. I'm actually looking at the numbers right now. We're 2 degrees cooler than it was this last hour. A little bit of a breeze, as you can see in the trees as well, and that's just adding a little crispness to the air. So grab your light coat or your sweatshirt before heading out. Let's talk about it. Specifically, right now in Philadelphia, we are at 64 degrees, 62 in Trenton. It's already into the 50s for you folks up around Allentown. It's 49 right now for Mount Pocono. So it is a cool evening. It's a delightful one, though. Yeah, you got a little bit of a breeze, but the skies are nice and clear. We are going to drop these numbers, though, down tonight into the 30s out to the west. So look at 35 Allentown, 36 Reading, 36 Lancaster, 30 for Mount Pocono. I don't expect the freezing conditions, or at least nearby down the I-95 corridor or down the shore, but out west there is that frost advisory that is in effect tonight until 8 o'clock tomorrow morning. There is a freeze warning in effect for the Poconos. So I highly encourage you, if you have planted your plants, and a lot of you have, of course, obviously it's after Mother's Day, that's the general rule, you want to cover them. There could be some issues with some frost tomorrow morning in our western zones, western Chester, western parts of Montgomery, upper Bucks County, places like that, and farther off to the west. North, it's a freeze warning well north of PA up into New York. Skies are clear. The temperatures are cool. A little bit of a breeze now, but the winds will be calming down. These are all ingredients for a chilly start to a day. And for us, we are going to be well below normal with 42 forecasts here. In Philadelphia, normal is in the mid-50s. We're not expecting any rainfall tonight, obviously, or tomorrow. It's going to be a fairly quiet one, but I want to take you to your next weather maker, which is what we do. It's our brand. We look ahead. So here's Friday at 5:30. We're basically 48 hours from now. We're dry. Friday evening plans, no problem. It's looking really good. Watch as we go into Saturday. So we're tracking a cold front, which is all that green that's off to the left-hand side of your screen. But notice Saturday morning, a little green over Philadelphia. There's what's called a coastal low, this little weather system that's going to be moving up and down the shore, and that could bring us some morning showers through the day on Saturday through about noon and into the early afternoon. The cold front's going to sweep through later, and so it's kind of some spotty showers for the first part of the day, but as we roll into the second part of the day and into your Saturday afternoon and evening, notice all that green now. That is, the darker the green, the heavier the rain, or at least the greater chance there is for some rain. So Saturday evening, like we've been telling you all week long, if you have any outdoor plans, start talking about those backup plans, because this weather system will likely bring us showers. Now, we roll into Sunday, and that cold front sweeps through, kind of pushes that out, potentially some lingering showers on Sunday morning. Otherwise, it gets out of here, and Sunday looking really good with temperatures in the mid and upper 70s. So for tonight, 65 degrees at 7 o'clock, eventually dropping on down to 44 by tomorrow morning at 6. The low itself, probably 42. Then tomorrow, a nice rebound in the numbers. We're in the 60s by the time we get to your lunchtime. By the end of the day, those temperatures into the mid and upper 60s. We approach the weekend. We're warming, but that next weather maker is on Saturday, as we talked about. Temperatures are going to be in the 70s. You're planning your weekend. You have the luxury of choosing a day to do something outside. Sunday, by far, a nicer day, a drier day, certainly. And we keep those temperatures in the 70s Monday, Tuesday, and Wednesday. A delightful evening. Just grab that light coat tonight. Otherwise, no problems for you at all, guys. We'll send it back to you.